folks, it has been a long time since last update of Capture the Flag mini-game, and I now have a long list of pending features requests and some bug fixes. So, I will try my best to put them as much I can in this new 1.5 version updates. After this release, then I move forward with design of the version 2.0. I hope I got most of the request feature done. What is new then? Let's go over one by one. First one is enable multilingual support. I done lots of code refactoring to make this happen. Now, you can have the game text in your own language. The only thing required is create a separate language translation file for your own native language. For the demo purpose, I use Google Translate, converted the text in two languages, Korean and Brazil Portuguese. So, translation may not be accurate, please help me if you have time. How about, let's me demo how this works. Then we go into details on how to do this. As an example in this demo, I use a Google Translate all game display text in Korean language and save this file using UTF-8 encoding. It works. I assume this works the same for all languages. Well, new difference in text length in languages, sometimes screen formatting adjustment or rewording the words to look better. This works. Let's take a look this plug-in configuration folder. It have a file name messages for each language's file name ending with EN is for English, and CO is for Korean in this case. You decided which language would like to enable for your server. The settings to do this is inside PocketMine configuration file, called language. You set the language value here. Example, EN for English as default. And you can add as many language you want. Just make sure each language is in its own file and save the text encoding in UTF-8 to avoid parsing error. Each team, you can customize the content of the kit such as what armors to wear, weapons, and foods. All these settings store under /plug-in configuration under folder main kits. This is a very flexible customization. You can almost specify any item you want it here. If you find current build of the arena is a bit more, then you can customize its building blocks to your own taste too. Following customization are enabled, the floor, wall and each team floor's blocks. These customization file is under this plugin folder name Arena. Please take a look, the key is unique and then the value must be a valid Minecraft login. After make changes, save it then restart the server. To see the actual changes, you need run command ctf create to rebuild the arena. Rebuilding may take a few seconds, depends on your operating system and hardware. Yes, it will do optimization to make this faster in future. Previous release, to set up clickable sign, you need to find the location of the sign then manually update the configuration file to take effect. Now, on this release I introduce 4 new commands to set signs in a much simple way. Start with issue a set sign command, then click a sign block. That is it. You are done. Repeat same steps for each sign. I put on this new release is a clean separation of commands access and permissions assigned to players by default, no extra configuration required for gameplay, then more restricted access commands for administrators with op access. One more thing, I actually created a GitHub account and created a repository for the source code of this mini-game project. You are welcome to review the code, help me with putting text translation or fixing bug, or suggest coding improvements or new features. I greatly appreciated your help. I hope this way we can collaborate together to make this game better and so I can spend time on making new games. Here's my GitHub account. This is the first mini-games I cleaned up the code a bit, and I hope not much bug left. I will post the link in video description. If you are familiar with GitHub, you can easily browse around and take a look at the code. I am hoping to optimize it to make it run faster and better. Then start looking into design version 2.0. Bug fixes in this release. Remove flag when play got kicked out of the server. Player cannot issue stop command if they are not in the game. That is it for today's update. I hope you like the updates. Thanks again for watching this video. If you have time, please help with language translation. Much appreciated. Bye. Have a nice day.